Morning guys, mag-almusal na kami guys. Yan, nagluto pa si Carben. Ito na yung kakainin namin guys. Burger to ano ta? Galunggong. Pritong talong, sisig. Gawa ni Carben. Yan guys, morning. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Bo, ano po? Yan. Salamat guys sa panonood ng konting oras. Thank you, thank you. At nito guys, sa probinsya kami guys.